What's up, and we're back, and today we will be unboxing our homemade Lego box, and we will be I will unbox two of them. There's
Me one.
Jesus. I trust Jesus. So sorry for the background because my cousin is roller blading or blade. So at the background inside the house is they're watching TV and so noisy. Today we will be unboxing our homemade Lego boxes, and we will be pretending that we didn't make this. So the reason why we're doing this because it's my delivery hasn't arrived, so we'll be pretending to we did not make this. Okay, so our delivery has arrived. So today we will be first unboxing Jesus. See. Okay, where's your unbox, man? Okay, so I'm just gonna unbox first and you're next. So let's unbox. Hey man, can you throw this, man?
What is oh
Throw that, man.
two?
Please throw. So here's Jesus in, man. This is Jesus. So you can read. Just pause the vid and read. So next to unbox is my favorite. Hey man, let's unbox together, man. So this is what I'm going to unbox today. So I don't have a cutter. Stop. So wait a minute, and okay, we're just gonna use our hands to take off the tape.
This Jesus is gold. So
Stop it, man. So we'll be unboxing, and let's open.
where is it?
Okay, so original Lego has this. So I have sharp nails, so I can take it off
I got
easily.
tiger nails.
I open this.
I
Cannot open, man.
got
So I'm so excited because I think there's many of them.
me
Just
too. I'm so
they've just
excited.
showed this, and I think there's many. ASMR. Just joking, man.
Okay.
Be fast, man. We're gonna open this. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause the vid because he has hard time opening the box. It's done, so open it, man. First, you open.
Oh.
This is the inside of his box. Open it for the viewers, man. What kind of YouTuber are you, man? Don't even open the box like a noob.
What is this? Oh, it's not original.
So, I'm gonna unbox mine. Oh,
What is
look at that.
man? Where is it?
Wait, man. Stop.
Oh, this.
So, this is the minifig, and it has the open. Yeah, good packaging.
Yeah.
It's built the minifig, and it's
Oh,
original.
oh. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
Shut up, man.
Okay.
So
It's so easy.
build it.
Then
On the side. So it says here Lego with a big O.
is
Okay.
like a
So-
soldier.
We will be opening this thing. So oh, they're so noisy, man. Sorry for that. So we will be opening it.
These guys. Hey,
Wow.
brother. You see this?
So good. So it has these pieces inside.
And this is a original. Say, excuse me, man. It's original.
So comment down below if I open. So let's open it. I don't want you to comment down below.
Is it my heart, my soldier? Where's heart, my
Hey,
soldier?
that's so hey, man. Look at this side and let's just close the packet first. We will save this for something. So we have these things. So I think I will build something with these pieces.
This is a hand.
Right, so let's pause it so I will show you the build. Now I've built my idea. So let's open this box. See what's inside.
And this.
Oh, some rare pieces. Okay, so this, finish that off and we will show you the build, my idea. It's okay, I will show you my pieces. 6 of this, 1,
Okay, this
2 of this,
is a soldier.
1 of this, and it's all original, there's no fake here. And 1 of this, I think
Oh
this
no,
is
it's dead.
rare.
Okay, I'm
Like
done.
1 of this, 2 of this, and I don't want to show the pieces because it's wasting my time, so bye. Okay guys, so here's my idea.
And this my idea.
Rare, super rare.
This a yeah.
Rare? What is rare? Huh? So this is for minifigure stand, so you can put anything.
And this soldier.
Finding minifig. Putting him here. I hope you liked the video. Keep a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Comment and share.
Okay, bye.
Peace.